If you want to see more topics, then check the playlist section of this channel. Also, if you want to buy my notes, then check the link in the description below. In this video, we will see an example on sinusoidal steady state analysis. Nodal analysis. Question: find VO by using nodal analysis. Here for this circuit, we have to find the voltage across this inductor, which is VO or output voltage. So first of all, we will take this circuit from here and paste it here. We have to solve this circuit by using nodal analysis. So let's assume this as reference node and all the currents towards this reference node. So this current is, let's say, I1, this current is I2, and this current is I3. This is current I3 towards this reference node. Now the voltage across this is VO. So here also the node voltage will be VO. So in case of nodal analysis, we apply KCL. Apply KCL at node VO. According to KCL, that is Kirchhoff's current law, summation of all the currents entering a node is equal to summation of all the currents leaving the node. Now here the entering current at this node is I2. So I2 is equal to leaving currents are I1 and I3. So I1 plus I3. Now we can write this I2 in voltage form as 4 at an angle 0 degree minus VO. 4 at an angle 0 degree minus VO divided by 2 ohm is equal to I1 is VO minus 0. VO minus 0 divided by minus J5. Minus J5. Then plus I3. Now this I3 will be VO minus 0 divided by J4. So now if we simplify this, so it will be 4 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 minus VO divided by 2 is equal to this value. Let's take it from here. Now we can take this on right side. So it will be this 4 by 2 will be 2 is equal to this part will remain as it is. And if we take this on right side, so it will be plus VO divided by 2. Now we can take this VO common from here. So 2 is equal to VO in bracket 1 by minus J5 plus 1 by J4 plus 1 by 2. So 2 is equal to VO multiplied with, it will be 1 upon minus J into 5 plus 1 upon J into 4, then plus 1 by 2. 1 upon minus J into 5 plus 1 upon J into 4 plus 1 upon 2. It is equal to 0.5 minus 0.05 J. 0.5 minus 0.05 J. So therefore VO is equal to 2 divided by 0.5 minus 0.05 J. 2 divided by 0.5 minus 0.05 J is equal to, if we solve this in calculator, so it will be 2 divided by 0.5 minus 0.05 into J. It is equal to this much. In rectangular form, in polar form, it will be shift to 3. So 3.98 at an angle 5.71 degree volt. So this is the answer for VO, 3.98 at an angle 5.71 degree volt. And this is how we can find the value of output voltage VO by using nodal analysis. Don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel, and thanks for watching.